On low heat, add coconut oil 2 tablespoons. Add whole spices. Coriander seeds 1 tablespoon. Fennel seeds 1 teaspoon. Roast for 1 to 2 minutes. 10 whole red chiles. Half onion sliced. Few curry leaves. Roast for 2 to 4 minutes. Grated coconut 3/4 cup. Roast until golden brown, and once it's done, allow to cool completely. Transfer to a mixer grinder jar. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Water as required. Grind it into fine paste and set aside. On medium heat, coconut oil 4 tablespoons. 3 medium onions sliced. Sauté onions until translucent. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. 3 green chiles. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. 2 medium tomatoes sliced. Salt to taste. Mix well, cover it and cook for 5 minutes. Mix well and cook for 2 more minutes. Chicken 1 kilogram. On high flame, mix well. Cook the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes. Later, cover it and cook for 5 more minutes. Stir in between. Add ground paste. Water as required to adjust the consistency. Mix it well and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Later, cover it and cook until the chicken is done. Add freshly chopped coriander. Stir well. Mangalorean chicken curry is ready. Enjoy!